Here we go. I am sewing. So, got this sewing machine for a few bucks from Amazon. It is all hand crank. It cranks leather. So I'm going to learn how to use it. I've sewed a couple already. I'm going to show you guys what I can do. And looks like fun. And it took a lot to get to this stage, but here I am. So I put this in, put this down, and we start sewing. Now, it said to leave the needle down just a little bit and turn this thing. And we can go back to where we started from. Turn it again. Maybe not. Okay, let's lift it up. Still learning. Pull it out. So, there it is. I sewed, but I broke the string from the bobbin. But as you can see, it is stitched really good. I hope you can see that. See? Woo! And this is pretty good leather. And it actually looks pretty good. It looks really good. So the whole purpose is I want to sew patches on my vest. And I can do it now. And I can sew other people's patches and maybe make a little coin. I'm out.